Alright guys, today we're going to take a look at the platform for creating Flash tokens. I'll pin it in comments below. It's very easy to use and it's not like Remix IDE where you have to do everything manually. This is automated and it supports multiply tokens, which makes it more flexible compared to the typical tool. So guys, you can also choose different amounts depending on what you want to generate, so it gives you some control over the setup. So today, let's try an example with Toncoin. We will select it here, then choose the network and the amount. And right away we can see the estimated cost, which is pretty convenient. Click continue to start process and the platform starts processing everything for you. Now let's wait a bit. Alright guys, now we need to enter the address where you want to receive the token. So just go to your crypto wallet and copy your address. By the way, I'm using Trust Wallet. Just paste it into this field, then select the duration as well, and click Generate Token. Now the platform starts generating the token for you, so just wait a little bit. Alright guys, as you can see, in order to receive the token you need to pay a fee, and you have two options here: pay in TON or pay in USDT, so you can choose the network you prefer for the payment. I'm going to pay with USDT because it's faster and I will use the TRC network. So it's about 260 USDT for this example, including everything. Just copy the address where you need to send the payment and go ahead to complete it. Paste the address, enter the amount, and continue with the payment. Now the payment is processing, so we can go back to the platform. Click I have paid and wait a bit. Alright, everything is successful. Now just go back to your crypto wallet and wait for the Flash token. Nice, as you can see the tokens have been received and everything works perfectly. Guys, this is amazing platform. So let me refresh again, close the application and open it again to check it. So yeah, feel free to try it out and explore how it works. Drop your comment below, let me know what you think. Wishing you all success and I will see you in the next crypto videos. Bye.